A viewer left a comment that they are having issues with their vehicle not starting. They've replaced the starter and they've replaced the battery, and the vehicle actually is not even cranking. And they said that the cable's getting hot. My experience with that situation is that you likely have a bad cable connection somewhere. It could be loose at one spot or another. That's usually causes cables or connections to get hot. So also check and make sure that the engine is not seized and locked up. You could put a tool on the crank and try to turn the engine that way. And if the engine turns with the crank, you likely have a wiring issue. I hope that helps. If all those fails, you'll need to take it to a mechanic and get that sorted out. Have a great day.